Hi, I'm Sharman from Security Supplies Scotland. Here at Security Supplies we offer a wide range of products in fire, CCTV, door entry, door access as well as intruder alarms.
Hi, I'm Sharon at Security Supplies Scotland. We've got over 20 years experience. We offer competitive prices and a reliable service. If you're looking for prices, contact us on 0141 882 2941 or fill in the details below. You can also visit us at our website www.securitysupplysscotland.co.uk or alternatively you can come into our trade counter at Hillington Industrial Estate.
We also offer a carrier service, so orders placed before 3 PM can be delivered the next day. Thanks for watching.